Welcome to RPF. In this video, we'll discuss about other interesting concept of Power BI, where we'll see how to add report tooltips to enhance your visuals. Whenever we are working with the Power BI desktop, normally this customizations has to be done. Otherwise, your reports not looks much attractive. This is the video number 20 where we are going to cover additional tooltips which will make your reports perfect. If you are watching this video first time and you have not yet covered my other videos in this playlist, I would request you to go through all. After completion of each and every video, share me the screenshots. I will share you certificates of completions on a name of RP Hub. So you will get certificates which might help you to add skill set in your resume. And if you wanted to support others, feel free to share this video within your connections so that it might reach to the needy person and they will also add skill set into their resume. Now, coming back to the topic. Here, let's consider we have some reports are available where we are looking at bar chart. As of now, we have some data listed here. As a point of view, if I wanted to see page view, you can see actual size of this graph. Even you can fit to the page where you can fit to the fit. Mobile layout, if you wanted to see, even you can see it under mobile layout. So this type of reports we can always use into the Power BI. You can apply grid lines, snap to grid, all those functions available here. Other than this, whenever here you enabling modern features into the desktop versions, here we'll get some other visual appearance to be enabled. If you don't know how to enable it, feel free to watch my previous video, that is video number 19, which will help you to understand how we can enable the modern feature or preview features which is added recently. In terms of this graph, whenever I will select this, you can see some of the options are enabled where by using this, you can customize it. Some other options like drill through options and other interfaces where you can apply the filter. Here, whenever I will select format visuals, you can see X and Y axis. What type of fonts you want, you can apply it, bold, italic, color. If you wanted to change the color of Y axis, you can do it. Maximum area width is 20 to 25% and something like that. Similarly, you can also do it for the Y axis, but we do have some other configurations in place which we can utilize it to make our graph attractive. So plot area background, if you wanted to use some background image, here I will add and this background image will be enabled. You can also see transparency label. You can add the transparency label and according to that it will behave. You can see this becomes transparent. Here I made it bit visuals. Even you can apply normal fit or fill. Everything is available here. So this is for adding the background images. Under the total labels, you can also customize some label as well. If we have, as of now, we have dragged and drop bar chart. You wanted to change the color. We can also do that. Let's consider I want green color to be added or enabled for this one. You can see this got changed to green. Similar kind, you can also do it for other colors. You can also enable reverse stake order. You have reversed it. As of now, I don't want to do it. Then I will disable it and will close this bar chart options. Data labels we have. Other than this, we also have bar sections which contains spacing. You want to even increase or decrease the spacing. as well. You can see it started increasing the spacing. So similar kind, you can also apply it. And if you want, you can reset it. Data table is also available where you have to enable it and accordingly it will display. This is the visual for now we have general. If you want to apply header icon, you can also do that. So header icon color is black. Now I wanted to change this to some different color. Now you can see this got updated. If you want to add any visuals like drill up or drill down icons, you can also enable it or add it. Tooltip, we have also added the options, but you can also keep it to default. Or if you want, you can keep it to report page. Here we have auto text. As I mentioned, you can always change it. These all settings make your report looks much attractive and giving clarity to the user how it looks. Now we have title options. You can also change the title, color, text, and everything. In properties panel, even you can set height and width of the graph. So this is how you can make your report more attractive whenever you are working within an organization and you are generating this type of report on the regular basis. That's all from today's video. Hope you enjoyed the content. If you think so this will be useful, don't forget to share within your circle. And if you see this is the valuable, don't forget to share within your connections. Thank you for watching.